Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Stay with me until the end of this session, and you'll feel calmer, lighter, and more relaxed in your body. This is your time. Let's begin. Before we continue, if you're ready to feel better today, tap the like button and let me know in the comments, I'm starting today. And if you enjoy calm, gentle workouts like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a session.
Three, two, one.
This moment is just for you. A time to move gently, to feel lighter, and to care for your body. As you continue, know that every soft movement is helping your body in its own quiet way, supporting your core, improving circulation, and encouraging a healthier you. There's no rush here. Just move at your own comfortable pace.
Three, two, one.
Tai Chi helps your body in so many ways. It improves balance, helping reduce the risk of falls. It gently strengthens your muscles without stress. It increases flexibility and keeps your joints healthy. And most importantly, it calms the mind and reduces stress.
Three, two, one.
This is movement that supports your body for the long term. If you stop now, you miss the full effect. But if you stay with me until the end, your body will feel the difference. You're closer than you think. Keep going.
Three, two, one.
As we continue, your body is already responding. Your muscles are gently activating, your joints are loosening, and your circulation is improving.
Three, two, one.
Even if it feels slow, something powerful is happening inside you. Stay with me because the full benefit comes when you complete the entire session.
Three, two, one.
You're doing amazing. There's no need to rush, no pressure, just steady, gentle progress. This is where strength begins, not in force, but in consistency. Every moment you stay here, you're improving your balance, your coordination, and your control.
Three, two, one. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.